Bonjour, why am I beginning with this video? Where is Vincent from America? I'm here, what's going on? I thought you had an announcement. Oh yeah, you can find my portraits, you can find my tutorials on portraitartacademy.com and the link is below. There you can find hundreds of videos about art, theory lessons, and the entire videos of my drawing. Wake up! Art is not boring, you imbecile! Huh? What? Anyway, enjoy the videos.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to give you some shapes. You're like, hey, what's this gonna be? This is going to be an eye. In the manga or anime, eyes, I'm gonna call it anime from now on. I like that word better. Anime is usually for animated movies, and manga is usually for comic books, right? But you can use it in both, whatever. It's about the style. So the eye, as you can see, it's kind of an ellipse, an oval, and then the pupil doesn't have to be exactly round either. That's the funny thing about it. So you draw another oval in there, but this one's more vertical. And as you can see, the top of the eyes has to be darker than the bottom of the eyes because there we got those eyelashes. And then you got this little line above it that's like the eyelid. And then the eyebrow above it, of course. So we got some eyelashes there. It's actually really simple. I mean, you just have to practice this stuff. I mean, what's there to explain? You see me do it, right? But yeah, it's still fun to watch. So see, then this line shouldn't be too thick. And the eyebrow can be a little thicker, depends on the person. If you want a little dark looking character, you can like draw little lines there too. And then the pupil is black, of course, and then there's always these 1 or 2 or 3 or however many you want lights in the eyes. And so the rest of the eye is just the iris, yeah. So it's darker, so it's blue or brown or whatever color you want to make. I even saw someone make purple eyes. I don't think that's right. I don't think human beings can have purple irises. But in Japan, everything's possible. I mean, look at them. They sometimes even have purple hair. I mean, here too, but over there more. So yeah, make sure you always have these 2 little lights. See, all these 2 little lights in the eyes. Sometimes 1 is enough, depends on how big you want the eye to appear. And that's a basic eye. We're gonna do more eyes in the next video, so keep watching.